Hello, I'm Joe. Welcome to our channel, Joe's Allotments Towards Self-Sufficiency. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so for tips and advice on how to grow homegrown and use homegrown vegetables, fruit and herbs. Right, today we're planting our first earlies out. Potatoes are one of the easiest crops to grow for any beginner as well. Just put them in the ground, they grow in almost any soil, and these have been chitting for a while, which simply means allowing the shoots to develop, which allows the plant to get away nice and quickly, and these will be ready in sort of 10 to 12 weeks. So they're not for storage, they're eating straight away. When they get to about the size of an egg, they're ready. Traditionally they're planted on St. Patrick's Day, which was a few days ago now, but it's a good reminder of when to plant them. Also a good excuse to have a few Guinnesses as well. So St. Patrick's Day is the traditional time to plant them. Rocket is a relatively new variety. I say relatively new, it's been around since about the 1980s. But it's a lovely potato, gives a good yield. It's got a nice waxy sort of skin to it when it grows. So what we'll do is we plant these about 5 inches deep and about a foot, just over a foot apart, and cover them with fine soil. And what I'll do, because they're a hungry crop, new potatoes, what I'll do is I'll add some guinea pig compost to each hole, as I'll get a nice steady supply from the grandchildren. We've got a couple of guinea pigs, so that will feed them, give them a good start. So other than that, it's just a matter of keeping them nice and watered if it's a dry period, and earthing them up, which means drawing some soil around them as they grow on, and then they should be ready in 10 to 12 weeks hopefully. So that's half the one row prepared. I know a lot of people dig trenches, but I find it a lot quicker and simpler, and it's just effective just to dig a hole for each individual potato. Makes it a lot easier for me. A little bit on this side. It's just a matter of breaking up the soil a bit to make it a bit finer. Put them in with the chitted side pointing upwards, so that's where the growth is going to come from. Cover them over. As I said, we put sticks in them so we can see where they are. These are actually sticks from last year's Jerusalem artichoke crop. So we can use those, and then they can go on the compost heap after we're finished with them this year. It's just a matter of drawing the soil over them now. They should be around 5 inches deep. And hopefully they should get away nice and quickly now. Sprinkle on top as well. So that's nearly 2 rows of new potatoes, and we should be enjoying those in about 12 weeks time hopefully.